I'm okay with the hair.
All set?
Great.
Ready?
Let me just give 2 seconds.
GenAI can help us create this. Is that the start?
Life sciences powered by GenAI. This is
On the top layer, we find. I restart. I'm not reading, I'm going by heart.
So you go back, you click, move forward, and then go back and click again. You're clicking it twice, right?
Yes.
We're using statistical AI or statistics. No.
Over the period, we tried predicting the future by either creating it or inventing it.
Wow.
But was it okay?
Too slow, yeah?
Try to slow more.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
And then so I do back, forward, back. Like,
Finish you back, click, speak, click, forward.
all right. Click, ta, 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 ta.
Let me drink some water. Can I take it?
AI will generate different designs, will generate
Hence a better value out of your GenAI value journey.
Oh, can I see the text?
Okay.
Are you sure that it's showing everything? Ah, yeah, well, because I said this.
Let's now go to Noah.
Or somewhere here, right? Yeah, doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how can we help?
Much better? One more time? Okay. Because of you.
This is because when GenAI... Godverdomme.
today. We are using GenAI to
Through sensors in the supply chain, on machines.
Ja, intonatie, I know.
Eye for detail, hè? Now hopefully it's fine now.
Life sciences powered by GenAI. This isn't just any AI. It's a breed that mirrors human intelligence and creates something new.
GenAI is a groundbreaking technology with the potential to drastically transform the banking industry.
Generative AI is transforming the retail industry in ways we have never thought possible.
This is all about the creation of personalized customer and employee experiences by generating content that is tailored to the customer's preference and behavior.
In the past, artificial intelligence was mainly focused on standardization, automating tasks, creating efficiencies.
And where generative AI now makes a real contribution is to ensure that you find patterns of optimization beyond what you can see with the human eye.
By understanding the principle of prompt engineering design, AI practitioners must become proficient in creating prompts that are clear, context-rich, specific, and concise.
These redesigned solutions are a glimpse of the future of intelligence.
With better and more qualitative customer intelligence, we can design better and more personalized products.
On the other hand, it's building trust with business stakeholders by establishing ownership, ensuring transparency, and downstream compliance.
And when integrated across the entire life cycle, and with future iterations of GenAI, it will completely change how we and our enterprises think about producing software.
The journey has just begun and the possibilities are limitless. Perfect? Emotions, energy.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
Something you want to add?
No, I think it's a great story.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Unbelievable.